So, Ufas, I think this is your second lesson. So, what we did in the last lessons, we did moving off and stopping.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, you need to tell me how to move off from here. So,
Yeah, so from moving out from here, I have to prepare the car.
prepare the car.
Once I prepare the car and check my mirrors and give a signal, then I move.
Yeah. So, which routine we use for to move off?
MPA.
So, drive off routine. That's the palm routine.
Palm
POM.
routine. POM.
So, what that P means?
Prepare.
Yeah. O for?
Over and move.
Yes. How will you prepare this car?
Prepare the car. Make sure that you put the gear in driving. Remove it from the parking. Then check your center mirror, your right mirror, and your blind spot. Then you signal. Then you move the car.
Yeah. So I asked the questions, how would you prepare the car? So it's very simple. Dad will put the car, leave with the D, drive, because this is automatic car. And that's the prepaid.
Yeah.
When you put in D, so D means your car is the drive mode.
Yeah.
So you're ready to go. Yeah. So second step is observe, how to observe. Yeah. So how many points you are going to observe here?
6.
6 points. Yeah. Can you tell me how will you do 6-point check?
You have to check it in front of you. Measurement of 6 cars in front of you.
No, 6-point check of the cars.
Yeah.
That's the observation. You need to check. You need to move your head towards the left shoulder first, second, third, fourth, fifth, coming back to the sixth.
Okay.
So this is called 6-point check.
6-point check.
So how will you check it? Can you show me?
You said back here, center mirror, blind spot here, the left mirror, my back here, the right mirror, then come back to the center mirror.
That's right, but it's not the good sequence in it. So you need to start from the left side.
Left side.
This is blind spot.
That's
first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Come back to the sixth. Yeah. Then you will give signal right. And then again do the final checks.
Look at the right mirror
and the blind spot on the right
blind
side.
Spot before you move.
Yeah. So make sure final checks, we must do it. Okay. Why is it important to do the final check?
Final check because at the time you are moving your head, you don't know whether a vehicle might be coming behind you. So
yeah, so the traffic condition could change within a second.
Yeah.
So 1 second pass could result there could be another cars.
Yeah.
So it could be dangerous. So make sure you 100% we're doing the final checks. Yeah. Okay. So would you like to move off yourselves, or do you want I help you?
No, I'll move off myself.
Okay.
Okay.
So I give you responsibility to moving up. Yeah. So could you tell me which routine we use to pull up on the left side?
MSPSL.
MSPSL.
Yeah.
That's for turning left.
Turning left.
So MSM routine.
MSM.
What M stands for?
Movement.
M for mirrors.
Mirrors. M for mirrors.
S for
signal.
Signal.
Yes.
Then maneuver. So if I ask you, can you pull up on the left in a safe place?
Yes.
You need to check the mirrors
first.
Which 2 mirrors you checking?
If I'm moving from the left side, it's my center mirror and my left side.
Left mirror. Yes. So center left mirror you will check.
Yes.
Then you giving the signal left and start positioning towards the left.
The left side.
And pulling up on the left side. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So in the test, the examiners could ask you pull up on the left in a safe place, and or they could tell you pull up on the left near to dead pole or some near to dead black cars. They will point out the place. Yeah. So if I ask you pull up on the left in a safe place, what safe place means?
Is a place where there's no double yellow line. There's no bus stop there.
Yeah.
And the place is absolutely safe. There's no
yellow lines, no zigzag lanes, no driveways. Extra like this. No bus stops. Okay, understand these things? So do you understand we driving up when you move up you're using the palm routine, POM, and when you are pulling up on the left you're using the MSM routine. You understand what it is?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So do you want to try yourself? Do you want I help you in the beginning?
I'll do it myself.
Yeah, because I think you try.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you responsible moving up, and then we are going to pull up on the left side. Yeah?
Okay.
So as you did okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So then I'll pass over all responsibility to you.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Okay.
Okay, move up when you're ready. Take the next road left. I will help you which mirror you check is. Check center left mirrors. Signal left here. Okay, that's fine. Turn left here. So when you get the safe place, can you pull up on the left, please?
Okay.
I move your steering on the right side. What was the reason? Why I take that shit?
Because of the leg, maybe you don't
Because
want
you are
to
very close to the
step
curbs.
it,
Yeah.
so-
Okay, we'll discuss. Let's discuss when you move up.
Okay.
So did you check the 6-point checks at that time?
No, I just checked this one on my right side. I didn't check this other one.
These also. We
Yeah.
need to check it all.
Oh yeah.
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 So it's very important.
important, yeah.
So will you do it?
Yeah.
Will you check all round? Yeah. You
Of
make sure you
course,
check
of
it all
course,
round.
Of course.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
And moving off. Okay. That's
Yeah,
fine. You
yeah.
did some things good. Yeah.
Yeah.
When you pull up on the left sides, when I
Yeah.
ask you, can you pull up on the left in a safe place?
Yeah.
This is a safe place.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah.
You select the safe place.
Yeah.
But the problem is you missed the mirrors. I noticed you didn't check center left mirrors.
Okay.
You must check the center left mirrors.
Okay.
Then give signals. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then start pulling up on the left side.
Okay.
So what could be the possible reasons of going close to the curbs?
To the cops.
Yeah.
So to allow free movement, not to cause hold-ups.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I mean, when I take the action, you move your steering on the right. So what's the best thing you do next time you not hitting to the curbs and we are close
Maybe
to
you
it?
should check your mirror. How close
When
you
you're checking this mirrors,
Yeah.
what you checking here?
It's the side, how close
How close, yeah.
it is with the
But this mirror is only telling you the back wheels, you know?
Yeah.
It's not telling you the front wheel.
yeah
Your problem is not the back wheel. Your problem is that front
the
wheels
front of it.
hitting to the curbs.
Yeah.
So what's the best thing you can do that front wheel do not hit to the curbs?
I don't know.
Okay, you can put some reference here. You will see the curbs meeting on the dashboard somewhere.
Yeah.
So you can pick some points from there.
Okay.
Where do you think that curb meeting on the dashboard?
The
The
curbs.
curbs, yeah?
The same with the dashboard.
You can see here. I'll show the books here. So can you see? That's the driver view.
Mm.
So check where the curbs meet the dashboard.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So where do you think these curbs meet on your dashboard?
This
could be
particular place.
It could be here somewhere, in it.
Yeah.
Here somewhere.
Yeah.
So if you think the curbs meet on the dashboards, that's the point. Do not steer more to the left sides.
And then
That's the point you need to steer the wheels.
To straight.
Yeah. Now you understand this one?
I understand it.
Okay. So will you try it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me do this time how to move off and how to stop. So I'll talk through. Yeah.
Okay.
So if you understand, then I'll give you responsibility again. Yeah?
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So prepare your car first. Okay. That's prepared. Yeah. So check all around. 6 points. Yeah. Finish on that side. Give right signal. do the final checks there. Blind spot as well. Okay, that's fine here. So we are going to pull up on the left near to the blue bin. Can you see that blue bin?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to pull up here. So do not drop the speed. Do not drop it. Okay. First check cancel signal again. Check center left mirror. Signal left now. Start coming towards the left side. And try to check the point reference point you made for the curves here. Little more drive, a little bit more forward. Drive. So little bit drive, little bit more forward. And stop somewhere here. Why did they ask you to move forward?
Yeah, maybe I'm on somebody's driveway.
Yeah, you was on the driveway, so we're not supposed to.
Yeah.
Yeah. So always pull up on the left in that place that you leave the cars for 2 hours, 3 hours, because you will leave the cars and you will go to the shopping center or somebody's house. Yeah, like this. Yeah. So leave that in front of the drive. You can't leave for 2 hours. You do you understand that?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
So okay, let's.